I just stole everyone's makeup.
Whose makeup?
I just stole my mom's, Angelica, my grandma's makeup, my aunt's makeup. This is gonna be awesome. Okay. So I've been seeing a lot of videos on YouTube about like mixing makeup and things into slime. So I was thinking, you know, why not do a bunch of lipsticks and a bunch of eyeshadows? A lot of it's old makeup. I plan on doing 100 eyeshadows and then 100 lipsticks and just like mixing it all into slime. Ew, this is an ugly color.
Good thing it's going in slime. Oh, that's ugly.
Right? Oh my god, I look horrible. So I'm ready to go upstairs before everyone finds out. Ready?
Yeah.
Wait, I have to lock the door. Hold on. What is it?
Oh, it's your dad.
Are you kidding right now? Hola, bien.
Natalie, necesito el maquillaje de tu mamá.
Here, my phone. Hello?
Where the heck is my makeup? Where's my makeup? I'm on my way to Arkansas and I don't have my makeup.
And you must have forgotten it.
What up, internet? That time for challenges again? Today I'm putting all this makeup in my slime. Show them the slime, Natalie. Show them the slime. Clear slime. Right there. Clear slime. Oh, got 100 coats. Nah. Yo, that other video messed me up. Polish mountain challenge. We got all these polishes. And they're going on my nails. 100 eyeshadows, 100 lipsticks. Literally everything we could find. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Makeup in that slime over there. Show them the slime one more time. Ready? Are you ready? Let's do this. Will win, Team Natalie or Team Dennis?
If you think I'm gonna win, make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. But if you think Dennis is gonna win, make sure you give this video a thumbs down.
Come on, people, dislike the video.
And stick to the very end because we're gonna be doing a huge, crazy mixing of all these random things. I can't even believe we're putting that in there. Stick to the very end. Let's get into mixing. Right, so I want to do lipsticks. I don't know about you.
No, I want lipsticks too, because this is really messy.
So let's rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. My tactic to this method is I'm actually gonna go like this. I'm going to go like that. Oh my god, this one is so beautiful. I say I try them on every single time. Wait, can slime get on fire? Or is the lipstick? What?
More.
Oh, careful.
Why?
Because you might, look, it's turning black.
That's so nice.
Yuck, Baba, yuck.
Oh, it's because the plastic is actually burning.
Exactly.
Whoa.
Oh my god. Maybe if we just smush them in like this. Like that.
This thing here, and then like, how can
Oh
I
my god,
this
this one is gorgeous. Color pop. All right, we got that. I got a lot of nudes up in here.
Yo, this one's so dry. Who the hell is this? I'd rather not
Oh
say.
my god.
So as far as I can tell, the ones that are actual like sticks are kind of difficult. I'm trying to light them on fire so that I can actually mix. The liquid ones, it depends. I think if they're newer, they rub on pretty easy. The older ones kind of just ain't coming out. Ah, no.
That's for ruining my makeup. All right. Oh my god, look at this one. What the? Oh my god. Look at this one. Green. Oh my lord. Should we start mixing now or after? Oh my god, look how beautiful. Let's start layers. Baba. That's that looks so bad.
This is...
Oh my god, this looks so pretty. We gotta add some darkness up in here.
So far, we're about 50 lipsticks in. Be sure to comment below which is your favorite, the iridescent, the black, the red. We have all sorts inside. We still got a lot to go, and then we're gonna mash it all up. Also, don't forget that right after this one, I'm doing eyeshadows, which is gonna be very, very messy.
Oh my god, this is so heavy. Oh my god. Okay, Dennis. Lord Jesus, you're gonna start fire. ASMR with Natalie and me. So we actually let this sit for about 2 hours.
Quite a while. Natalie was at the gym.
Yeah.
And I was eating.
And doing laundry.
And laundry.
And this is what it looks like. Oh my god. It's like wild. Oh man. That is wild.
The table's still covered with about 50 lipsticks and we still have all this to go. We're gonna stab, light, burn, do everything with these, and then we're gonna move on to the eyeshadows, which is my slime.
Let's burn it.
Let's do it.
Or burn.
Whoa, that one was
what
weird.
What the heck? That one's burning like crazy.
Like Dookie Brown.
Yeah.
It's really gross.
That's ugly.
Are you gonna keep reusing it?
Yeah.
Oh, I
would like to.
I thought we were totally like tossing these out.
No way, Jose.
I'm actually like wasting a lot. Like I'm kind of painting. I want to make a smiley. I made it. Oh.
That's my favorite color. This is my favorite one right now.
I didn't know.
I just told you to just go like that.
I didn't know.
Yeah, this is literally look how pretty this is.
I don't see it.
It's perfect.
It's like so normal.
Alright, here we go. But before we do that, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell so that YouTube notifies you of new videos. Okay, let's see if you can do this in 5 seconds. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you're able to do that, make sure you comment below hashtag notification squad and I'll be sure to give you a shout out in the next video. Let's see if we can mix the colors together. Oh my god. What are we doing with our lives?
This.
Alright, time to mix this little gorgeousness. This is what it looks like as of right now. That's so weird. I don't know what color comes out. It's like a little surprise.
Heck no.
Like I'm like squeezing that. Alright. Oh my god! That is just terrible.
Okay, so we pretty much completed all of Natalie's challenge. 100 lipsticks, both liquid and stick form, in that glob right there.
Here
we
it
still
is.
have all the eyeshadows to go and a secret mix that we're gonna do at the end once we combine both of these, eyeshadow and lipstick.
Oh my god, it's stuck on me. It's stuck. Round 2.
We're actually eating some of the things we're gonna add to the slime later.
It's gonna get crazier from here on out. So for this round, we're gonna be taking some eyeshadows. Let's do this. This slime looks so beautiful. Can we just take a moment?
Ooh. We light them on fire.
Look at these right here, they're wild.
Don't forget that if you want the eyeshadows and hashtag Team Tennis to win, be sure to dislike the video. Bet you never heard that before. I'm just gonna plop it on top, right?
To all of them?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
Oh my god. That looks wild. Oh my god. But what about these?
I have some more on this side.
Can I help you?
Yeah, let's try to spread it.
Oh wait.
Like the top layer.
Alright, so I saw this girl do it and she recommended pulling it upward. Kind of
That's so crazy.
so that they would come out.
Wow, it's like a sandwich.
Oh my god, this is gonna make like the prettiest colors. Wait, how is it that she did it?
Dislike the video.
Look at this, like literally.
Everybody go out and,
Oh
I was gonna say
God.
ruin your makeup, but no. Also, on a side note, we are wearing the Natalie's Outlet merch.
Stay weird or die normal. Now it is on 20% discount because of this Thanksgiving break, so make sure you get your merch at nataliesOutlet.shop and tag me on Instagram so that I can share you and show you lots of love. Oh my god, look at this gorgeousness.
Also, Black Friday deals will be on for the entire weekend and Cyber Monday, so just check it out. Stay tuned and consistently go on to check to see if you get something for free.
That is so beautiful. I can't take it. I can't take it. Look at mine. Like, what the heck? This is so gorgeous. This is a fun project, you guys. Like, you have to do this DIY project with your friends, with your family. Super fun for kids, for crafting.
Plus
oh my
it's slime.
God.
And everyone loves slime, like honestly.
All right, let's combine them.
Okay.
Let's mess.
Wow, look, perfect circles.
I know.
That's
Duh.
so neat.
It's been coming out like that for a while. Oh my god! Oh, okay, why are you taking it all? Oh my goodness. Ooh, it's like a galaxy color.
I'm so astonished, honestly. Like, this is really neat. And like, there's
Same.
so much like texture. Like if you
They're
look inside,
so
it's so
beautiful.
glittery. Beautiful snail.
Okay. I'm actually ready right now to go and combine this and the other one to see what it's gonna make. Are you guys ready? Go for it. And then put it in there.
Oh
Ew,
man, I
that's
really don't
disgusting.
like this one. This one's gross.
Alright, here we go.
You better dislike this video.
Here we go, baby. Go.
I'm not having none of that.
Go ham.
No, you have all the fun. I am not a part of that. So now that Natalie's actually mixed both the lipstick one and the eyeshadow one, we're gonna go and grab a lot more ingredients that we actually went and purchased at Walmart.
I'm so excited for this.
Show Walmart right now. Okay, we're back from Walmart. It literally took half a second. We have all the ingredients in my left-hand side. I'm gonna start passing them to Natalie, and she will slowly start applying every single ingredient that we purchased.
Alright, let's do it. Pass it over. Amazing, right? This is so awesome. Make sure you give it a thumbs up for Natalie's outlet in the house. Alright, let's do some what? Oh shoot!
Oh, that's so much.
It was an accident.
Oh, sure.
Ew, this is the most disgusting thing I've ever done in my life, and I'm not proud of this.
Ooh, man.
Oh god, this is so nasty. Oh my god, you just got a bunch of food. Sour Patch Kids, those are so good. Oh my god, this is so nasty.
Oh, ew.
You're cleaning that up.
Rainbow sugar scrub.
Yeah, put that in there. Oh my god, how fun. That's it? 2? Is honey fun? That might smell good. It's about to tip over, so you can't pour more than what we got, okay? Dennis's idea. This is gonna smell nice. Ew. Oh god. It's so bad. Oh wow, it's so pretty though. Handsome. I think you should mix this too. You're sleeping with me tonight, so. Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more weirdness and videos like this, or maybe not ever. Make sure you hit that bell so that YouTube notifies you of new videos. My social media handles are appearing right here. Before this video gets a little crazy, let me know what you want to see next. What on earth is going on here? I love you guys so much.
I missed. How is that possible?
And don't forget to live weird or die normal. Make sure you purchase the merch. Stay Weird is about to go. Bubba, really? NataliesOutlet.shop. Love you guys. Oh my god, this is so gross. Tiny.